Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe me. Darabad Wildlife Museum is one of the most complete centers for introducing natural species and wildlife in Iran. More than 8,000 plant species of Iranian nature are kept here. Extinct tiger skin of Iran, as there are rare specimens. Animals such as male and female peacocks of India and Sri Lanka, and Bengal tiger, European yellow deer, and North American bears and Siberian tigers, and birds from Asia and Europe. There are also Armenian rams, deer, Alborz rams, Shoka kingals, pheasants, flamingos, Caspian elephants, Persian leopards, caracals, jackals, foxes, hyenas, and reptiles such as snakes and lizards. And there are African mammals and migratory birds. The horns and skulls of African wild cattle, and the ivory of African elephants, black rhinos, wild dogs, and African leopards. The building of this museum belongs to a member of the Pahlavi period. In my opinion, it is the most delicate animal that has a special beauty. And lions, tigers, and leopards are also very impressive. Deer and its beautiful horns. Different species of dried birds. The wolf is hunting. The brown bear stands like a human and looks scary. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like video.